This is the Masters Women's Final. Lane 1, we've got Dazzler's Passion. Lane 2, Flaming Dragons. Lane 3, Pittwater Dragon Boat Racing Club. Lane 4, Central Coast. Lane 5, Nara. And lane 6 is Bayloon Gold. So these 6 crews fighting out the Masters Women's Championship for 2014. And the defending champions have drawn lane 3, that is Pittwater. Pittwater winning this last year in a time of 2:16.11. Before them Nara in 2012 and Central Coast in 2011. So some of those crews are there, the Central Coast and Nara crews competing with Pittwater. So can the champs win it back to back here? They're trying to defend their title and they're in lane 3. So we've got Dazzler's Passion in 1, Flaming Dragons into the defending champions Pittwater in 3, Central Coast, who are always competitive in this category, in 4, Nara, previous champions out there in 5, and Bayloon Gold out there in 6. But it's in the middle already, and it's Pittwater and Central Coast, and they've drawn away from the others, so it looks like they're going to settle down to fight out this Masters Women's Championship for 2014. So the defending champions, Pittwater, from Central Coast, who finished 2nd last year behind them, and then Nara, who finished 3rd. Nara, the previous year's winners in 2012 from the Central Coast, but it is the crew from Pittwater in 3, just in front. Central Coast in lane 4, going down the challenge. Holding down 3rd is probably Flaming Dragons back in lane 2, and then Nara out there in 4, and further out Bayloon Gold. But it's Pittwater in front from Central Coast. They're going to fight this out. Dazzler's Passion in 1, coming home strongly, and